All right, I'm doing a unboxing of, as you can see on the box, it's the Hertz Mille Legend MLK 1650.3, the 0.3 being third generation of the high-end Mille's. Anyways, you see 300 watts component speakers. I've had these for a while now, just haven't installed them. I'm going to install them tomorrow. So, I've already went through most of the stuff. It's like the manual there. So there you go. I've already been fooling around with it a little bit. So here's the 6.5 components, the Mille's, as you can see. So there you go, the 1650.3s, it's the woofer. I will be getting a mid, but not the Hertz mid. I'll be getting Frog's GB60. Or actually, not GB60, I should say GB15, which is like a 2.5-inch mid. So yeah, there you got crossovers. No point taking the wrapper off. Everybody knows what these things look like. I guess I could. Not bad looking. Eventually I'm going to go active anyway, so. But I'll probably keep these for show. They're nice looking crossovers. You can bi-amp these ones, which I'll be doing for a while until I eventually go active. So there you go. That's the crossover, the woofer, and then the Hertz ML280 tweeter. ML280.3 tweeter. So these are going in my vehicle tomorrow. The 165 Hertz XLs, high energies, will be coming out, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. Might use them for rear fill, possibly. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So that's pretty much it. These are getting put in tomorrow. Looking forward to seeing what these 1650.3s, the woofers, because everybody always told me the ML 1600s had more mid bass. And of course, the first gen ML 1600s were supposed to have the most mid bass out of all of them. So we're going to see what these sound like tomorrow. All right, thanks guys.